What's up, guys? How are y'all? So, we are back with another ASL tutorial for a song. Also, tell me how you guys like my little intro picture. I'm trying something out. So today we're doing Over the Rainbow by this guy. I have to look at his name. Is Israel Kamakawiwo'ole. I don't know. I'm being totally mean right now. This Hawaiian dude. He's a really good singer, but I can't pronounce his name for nothing. Okay. Super duper easy lyrics. Super easy. They're repetitive, so shouldn't be that hard to learn. So, only problem I had with the signing of the song in the later bit is that it's so slow. Sometimes you can't tell what lyrics are gonna come next. So, yeah, that part kind of was difficult, but it's really easy. It's awesome. Okay, I guess we better begin. Okay, so it begins with oh. I don't know. It's got this and a little ukulele. The ukulele is adorable. And then the first verse is somewhere over the rainbow, way up high. So somewhere. It's also got to do someday, somehow. I learned something new. I learned, so just thought I'd share that. Okay, somewhere over the rainbow. You could do this, but I'm doing this, so it's spread your fingers out. You'll look ridiculous, but you go over like a rainbow. Way up high, so you can make two H's. High, and you'll go like above your head, or you'll just go higher. And the dreams that you dream of once in a lullaby. So, and the dreams of your head. Dreams. You could also do this. This is a little more like, more imagery to it, I guess. And the dreams that you dream of once in a lullaby. So, song, sleep. Lullaby is for little kids to put them to sleep. So, it's a sleepy song. Sorry. Okay, next verse. Somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly. So, somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly. Bluebirds is not a whole sign. It's two signs put together. So, blue, make a B, just blue, birds, and fly. So, I'm going to be like, whee. But you could just go, my sound effects. Yeah, pretty much. That's, and the dreams that you dream of really do come true. Isn't that what we just, and the dreams that you dream of really do come true. Someday I wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind me. So, someday I wish upon a star, wake up, where the clouds, so just like, go above your head. But for some reason, my camera is not angling where I want it to today. There you go. Clouds are far behind me, so you could just be like, far behind me, or you could go like this, which is way cool, but I forgot to do it in the music video, so I kind of, whichever way you want to do it, far behind me, whichever. Where trouble melts like lemon drops. Lemon drops is not a sign either. Yeah, that was a little harder, because I couldn't even find hard candy, so it's lemon, it's a cute little sign, candy. Lemon candy. You can do candy like this, or you can do candy like sweets. Whichever one you prefer. I did this. As you can tell, I already did the music, because I thought, why not? High above the chimney top, that's where you'll find me. So, high above the chimney top. So, chimney is fire, chimney, top, and then top. You'll just like, up top. That's where you'll find me. Next verse. Somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly. Done that. The next little bit's a little different. So it's, and the dreams that you dare. Now see, I don't really understand this one. I hope I'm doing that correctly. I want to double check, because that's what I found, and I can't tell if I'm doing it 100% correctly. So, dare, oh why, can't I? So, why, you could do why like this, or why like this. Why, can't I? Okay, next verse. Wow, we're almost already done. Told you. Simple. And short. The only reason it's long is because it's so slow. Well, I see trees of green and red roses too. So, well, I see trees. Or actually, that's forest. What was I thinking? This is tree. Tree. Trees of green. Actually, yeah. Trees of green. So make a G. Green. Just like blue, except with a G. Green and red. So making R. Red roses. Like this is flower. So this is roses with an R. Red roses. 2. Sorry, I lost my place. I'll watch them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. And I'll watch them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful, which is wonderful, great, amazing, awesome, pretty much all those. What a wonderful world. This is world. Make 2 W's. I'm really bad at W's because my fingers just don't form them very well. But here's my W's. Peace. Wonderful. Or world. I'm kind of just like rolling around. You could do this. You could do this, which I usually do. Or you could do this. Whichever one you prefer, I'm going to do this one. That's just the one I've always done. Next verse. Well, I see skies of blue. I see clouds of white. So, well, I see skies, just skies of blue. And I see clouds of white. And the brightness, like the light is in your face. Brightness, facial expression, sorry, it's late. Of day. Brightness of day. Oh, I guess I didn't go over that. I like the dark. Dark. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. That wasn't even the right tune. Gotta stop trying to sing. Almost done. Just like 2 more verses. Okay. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky. So, colors of the rainbow, so pretty. It's also sweet, so pretty. You could also do beautiful if you want, I guess. So, but I'm doing pretty in the sky. Also on the faces of people passing by, and also on the faces. This is beautiful. This is face. Get it right. People passing by, so it's like they're passing by you, or you could just do passing by. And I see friends shaking hands, saying, "How do you do?" I see friends shaking hands. Like, just pretend like you're shaking an imaginary friend's hand. shaking hands, saying, how do you do? So, how you? Saying, how you? They're really saying, I love you. This is the entire sign. I love you. You see that? So it's an I, and then an L, and then a Y. So I love you. I thought that was really cool when I learned that. So I love you. Ooh, last verse. I hear babies cry and I watch them grow. I hear babies. This is like baby as in babe. You're my babe, baby. But this is baby as in an actual baby. I hear babies cry and I watch them grow, which is the same as bloom, because it's the exact same thing, bloom and grow. Flowers bloom, babies bloom, flowers grow, babies grow. Same thing. Though people don't use the word bloom for babies. They'll learn much more than we'll know. They'll learn much more than we'll know. I think to myself, what a wonderful world. And then it says world again. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. And then it goes over 2 more verses we've already done. And goes, oh, again. And that is basically the whole song. So, I think that's pretty awesome. We learned that in like 10 minutes. So, yeah.
Trouble melts like lemon drops high above the chimney top. That's where you find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow. Bluebirds fly, and the dream that you did to, oh, why? Oh, why can't well, I see trees of green and red roses too. I'll watch them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Well, I see skies of blue and I see clouds of white and the brightness of day. I like the dark and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the face Pray, shaking and singing. How do you do? They really think I love you. I hear babies cry and I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than we'll know. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Someday I wish upon a star, wake up with the clouds are far behind me, where trouble melts like a lemon drops, high above the chimney top. That's where you find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow, way up high. The dreams that you dare to, why, oh, why can't
Okay, so I really hope that video was helpful. Sorry it took so long to come out. I got sick again. It's really easy for me to become sick, so very sorry. And so, yeah. Make sure you guys follow my Instagram. I do a sign of the day, and I do updates and stuff about when stuff will be coming out or why it's not coming out. So, there's that. And, yeah. So, I will see y'all next time. Oh, yeah. Also, if you guys have any suggestions of songs, put them down below or comment them on my Instagram, which will be in the name of it will be in the bio, because I can't figure out how to put a link. Or not the bio, but the description down below, because I can't put a link yet for some odd reason. Any suggestions? If you guys want lessons, a couple more lessons and not just songs, put those down below. We'll do more cooking videos, hopefully soon. I have to make sure my kitchen's like super duper clean, so yeah. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that's it now. Okay, bye.